Hello, so welcome back to my channel. This is I've been so bad when not saying welcome back to like Brandy Boo. Like, I don't know. This is still all new to me, just so you know. One of my good friends got me a new tripod, so I hope it looks semi better than it did before. I'm still not comfortable doing my eyeshadow outside of my bathroom. Like, I don't know why I don't do so well, but I do not do so well. So what I'm going to do is actually, what am I doing with myself? I did not bronze or nothing. So, but while I'm doing this, I'm going to tell you kind of what I am going to be doing today. While I'm talking. So I'm gonna tell you a funny story. I started recording this yesterday, and I only have like a short leeway of time to do these, which is nap time for my youngest. So I have that short little time frame, and so I started recording it. I got a new mic. And well, I got it at the dollar store for $2.50, thinking like, yeah, it's just a mic, you know, whatever, blah blah blah. Okay, so no, let's not. That was not it. It was a bad idea. I recorded the whole video, and when I went to play it back, guess what? All I heard was feedback. I heard like that. And you can barely hear my voice. And it's like, you can barely hear my voice as it is because I don't talk loud enough. Everyone tells me I do not, which that's why I got the mic. Hence, the new mic cost me a whole day of YouTube work. Whole day. So, because I wasn't able to record another video so that happened, and it's like, the struggle is real. Because I only get so much time to do what I need to do, which sucks. So, pretty much what the video was about, which I'm re-recording now, is a how-to shimmer look. It's like my shimmer secret with a pop. Like my shimmer look with a pop. And I did the whole video. Okay, I'm going to stop complaining about the video. So pretty much, I just... you know what? How about I just show you instead of trying to explain it? Because I'm bad with words sometimes. Sometimes I'm good, sometimes I'm bad. So, I'm going to go ahead and start the look. So, there we go. I'll be back. Okay, so I'm starting off with Dust Cloud. I just did that. I did that as my base. And then I'm going to go next with Sophie and Boy Next Door to give it a little bottom layer of color. I always do that. Put it like kind of like in the crease and above the crease, just slightly. And let's also say a little prayer that my youngest stays asleep for the whole video. Okay? Say a little prayer to the God and Goddess. Please, 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 please. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. Okay, so now I am going to just go right on in there and go with Gamenta. I always say this wrong, but I'm going to go in this color right here, okay? And what I'm doing is I'm putting it on this side of the corner of my eye. Gonna go up and over, not gonna be in the middle, okay? Leave the middle clear, clean and clear. And then I'm going, and it's gonna go right through here. And I'm using the best brush to use. It's still dirty from yesterday, but the brush to use is kind of like this kind of looking brush, like a flat, fluffy brush. It helps with me. That's all I know. and just work on getting the bottom base to it. So while I am working on this eye and doing the other eye, I wanted to talk a little bit about what I call a witchy board. It's a witchy vision board. So it's a vision board with a twist, and I'm going to be working on that. And if you guys, I just wanted to tell you guys about it. I think it's a cool idea to work on. It's a vision board, and you can use anything. You can draw on it. You can get pictures out of magazines and put on it. Just go to the dollar store and get a little cardboard or a big board, depending on how big or small you want it, and then just put things that you want. So what I do, what I'm going to do is, you'll need sage. Burn sage, and while you're burning the sage smoke, like let's say for example, you're just using a pen, you're just going to draw your ideas on it. Sage the pen. Put in whatever you are wanting and desiring and wishing and hoping for, and envisioning into that pen, and then kind of like, well, where the sage smoke is, brush the sage smoke. I got this. The sage smoke on the board itself too, and just envision that, because mind is power. Your mind is power. You envision what you want. You want to envision a nice, healthy relationship. You want to envision change in your relationship. You want to envision a new stable home, a new stable job. Envision that. If you look at that every single day, it becomes normal. It becomes a norm. It's not just a wish. It's something that can actually happen. And then it will build and build and build, and throughout time you will see it so much that you programmed your brain and you programmed the universe into saying that you are worthy of these things. You're telling the universe that you are worthy of this. You're no longer just going to settle for just a mediocre home, a mediocre life. You're going to envision all of these things for yourself. That you, positive things, no harm, no ill harm to anybody, just positive things. Give that a try. And if anybody wants to try that, then let me, I'm going to put my Instagram link in the descriptions, and let me know how it's all going. Let me know how your envisions, and maybe even take pictures of your boards. And some people out there, I know a few people out there that like a couple of my followers on here, some of my subscribers, they're very artsy. I'm not. I mean, makeup is about as artsy as I get, but some of these women are just incredibly talented, and I would love to see what they come up with their vision boards. Like some people that are gonna draw, wow! I would love to see it, because I know some of my subscribers, they're very talented ladies. And yes, you know who I'm talking about. You know I'm talking about you. I know who you are. Oh, and of course, boo-boos happen. So when it comes to makeup, and like I've always said, one thing about makeup, you can always wipe it off and start over. That's why I love it. Your face is your canvas, and you can always start over. I think I got a matchup, but I think I did my little thing too high over here. I got a little zealous. Got a little crazy with it. But I can clean it up though. I could definitely clean it up. It's one thing about it. Alright. So that is that. Now I'm going to use this gold right here, which is Scorpio. Take my finger here. I always use my finger with shimmers. Always. Always do that with your fingers. And then when you get finished with that, you're going to clean up around where the shimmer is with the same brush you used to put on the main color that got Menta, okay? And you just make it look like it just seamlessly goes together just by rubbing it in there a little bit. And mine, I don't know why, but my makeup always looks a little messy, but that's just how it is. And then you just blend it out, blend out the very top part right here. Blend this up and out. Like so. I don't know, do you guys like it when I add the music when I'm doing this? Let me know. Because I'll keep adding the music during like my tutorials and stuff, so you just don't hear silence when I'm doing it and I'm not talking, which is not all that often. But if you can see, don't mind my hair, don't mind the lighting, but if you could see, and I'll take you further in, I'll take you in the living room, maybe you can see me better. But and then I'm going to use a little bit of Spellbound in my crease, okay? Okay. And you just pat that in there. And it gives it just enough dimension and color that it kind of brings it together to me. Because it's not too bright, like too dark, but it's just enough to bring it together. And you might have to do a couple, because Menta is so bright, you might just have to do a little bit extra here. Because you don't want to take the focus off the shimmer. You want to bring the focus in the shimmer. Okay, that looks about right. Get a blender, get a blending brush, and blend. Okay. Now, I'm going to get my little trick out here. So my little trick is liquid glitter. Liquid eyeshadow. So that's my little trick. It makes it, this is the pop. When I say there's a pop, so you put it in the middle of your glitter. So it's kind of like, it's like your glitter, it's like, okay, it's like your, like the burgundy color, your glitter, and then the liquid eyeshadow. I mean the shimmer, then the liquid eyeshadow. So it has like this, you know, coming in look. This is my go-to look a lot of times. A lot of times it is. Alright. And of course, you want a little highlighter on top of the brow. I mean, oh. You want to get a little bit of that Menta and put it underneath your eye right here. Can't believe I forgot that. It pulls that look right there, pulls it all together. this does something. Okay, so let me just go ahead and finish up the look, and then I'll be right back. Hello, back. So this is the final look. Let me close my eyes so you can see it. This is it. So that was my simple little shimmer secret with the little glitter, the shimmer, the liquid eyeshadow. So I don't know, my brain was like, but anyway, so I just wanted to show you the final look and let you guys know that it's really super easy to do. If I can do it, you can do it, pretty much. I'm just saying. So I just wanted you to see my final look, and again, you guys have a great, wonderful day, like I always say, and again, love yourself. I've been saying this in every video, and I say it for a reason, because it needs to be engraved in your mind at all times to love yourself. Okay. Have a great day, everybody. Bye.